name is Peter Wohlleben. I'm 53 years old and I'm a German forester and author of some books about forest, animals, and nature in general. This book on animals is written in a very emotional style because I think we are working up to 90% on emotions. It's strong research which reads like a good story. For example, that birds can lie. Magpies, for example, they form couples for a lifetime, and the male is a very good husband, and when a foreign female flies in, he drives it off, but just as long as his own wife is watching or hearing. When his wife is away, he tries to flirt with every foreign female which flies in. So it's something similar to us. So when you think about what is most important to your life, then that are emotions, like love or happiness. And we always say that we are working on mind and animals are working on instincts. And emotions are the driver of instincts, language of instincts. So animals are very good in emotions, and that I think is a very wonderful thing.